Water treatment market projected to hit $639 by 2033. What water treatment's growth curve means for operators and investors. Market snapshot. Global market growth outlook $347 market size 2024. Global baseline 639B projected by 2033. Source. Market research report 7.02% annual growth rate CAGR 2025 to 2033. The global water and wastewater treatment market sat at $347 billion in 2024. By 2033, that figure is projected to reach $639 billion, a compound annual growth rate of 7.02% driven by the intersection of tightening environmental regulation, accelerating technology adoption, and mounting pressure on aging water infrastructure worldwide. For operators managing water-intensive facilities and investors tracking environmental infrastructure, the direction and the pace of that growth are both worth understanding. Technology is the growth accelerant. The market's expansion is not primarily a story about building more of the same infrastructure. It is a story about technology replacing older approaches. Membrane separation, reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration is displacing conventional filtration in both municipal and industrial applications, because it delivers higher treatment quality at progressively lower operating cost as the technology matures. UV disinfection is gaining share against chemical chlorination in facilities where byproduct management and regulatory compliance are driving procurement decisions. Advanced oxidation processes are opening treatment options for contaminants, including PFAS and certain industrial compounds, that conventional treatment cannot adequately address. The integration of IoT and AI into water management systems is adding a layer of operational intelligence that is changing how facilities run. Real-time monitoring of treatment performance, predictive maintenance for critical equipment, and automated optimization of chemical dosing are reducing both operating costs and the risk of compliance exceedances. For facility managers, these are not abstract future capabilities. They are available now, and the economics of adoption are improving as the technology scales. Where investment is concentrating, municipal systems account for the largest share of market volume, driven by urbanization pressure and the ongoing requirement to upgrade aging infrastructure. In the United States, federal investment through the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act has directed significant funding toward water system modernization, an injection that is accelerating procurement cycles for advanced treatment technologies. In India, government programs including the Jal Jeevan Mission are building treatment capacity at scale in areas where infrastructure gaps have historically been significant. Saudi Arabia is investing heavily in desalination and wastewater reuse as part of its Vision 2030 sustainability framework. Industrial applications represent the fastest-growing segment by treatment complexity. Manufacturing, pharmaceutical production, food and beverage processing, and semiconductor fabrication are all generating wastewater streams that require treatment approaches tailored to specific contaminant profiles. The combination of stricter discharge regulations and rising water stress in key manufacturing regions is pushing industrial operators toward more sophisticated treatment systems than the previous generation of facilities was built around. What this means for operators. Tracking the space. For facilities managers and EHS teams, the market growth data reinforces a practical point. The technology options available for water and wastewater treatment are expanding and improving faster than most capital planning cycles account for. Facilities making long-term infrastructure decisions in 2026 have access to membrane, UV, and AI-integrated options that were either unavailable or cost-prohibitive 5 years ago. Benchmarking against current technology rather than against the system being replaced is worth building into the evaluation process. For sustainability and ESG teams, the market trajectory also signals that water treatment infrastructure investment is becoming a more central part of how organizations demonstrate environmental stewardship. The ability to characterize treatment technology performance, removal rates, energy intensity, discharge quality is increasingly relevant to both regulatory compliance and ESG disclosure frameworks that are asking more specific questions about water management practices. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites by Environment and Energy Leader. For partnership opportunities, please reach out to our team.